Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how I moisturize my day 4 hair. And what I mean with day 4 hair is the 4th day after the wash day. So let's get started. The hair is so much dry and from the scalp, and I can feel it from my hands. It's so much a bit rough and tangled. So the first thing is spraying this curl detangler. This part, applying the coconut oil in it and try to finger detangle it. I'm gonna use this much and just rub it on my hands. And then I'm gonna brush on the tip just a little bit smooth and swiftly as you go down, but you ensure you have really finger detangle because you'll experience a lot of shedding. So this is ready, and the hair is so smooth and you can see the curls through. Yep, on to the next one. So guys, the hair is ready, and now I can feel it's a bit moisturized and so soft and detangled. And I'm gonna make a simple protective style for the week or for the few days before my So those are the first four. It's not the best or like the neatest, but so guys, this is when all the hair is done and fixed. I'm gonna just hold some of it for now. So you can decide if you will undo them on the next day or in the evening, or you can just have them. But with me, I'm gonna have them for a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days. This is it today, but a few tips about moisturizing your hair. You can always use any oil that works for you. For me, I usually use the coconut oil, and it has worked for my hair. It can work for you, it may not. There are so many oil products there for sealing the moisture. But what I wanted to add on this is that it all depends on the type of shampoo and the conditioner you use. And for me, I usually avoid these sulfates and the silicones and the parabens because they have some ingredients that are so harsh to my hair or to like coily hair. So next time I'm gonna share why I avoid them and what harm does it cause on the hair and why do people avoid it. And yeah, so that is it for next time. See you guys and bye.